Have you ever walked into a room ready to do something, and then, boom, your mind goes completely blank? Or you struggle to remember someone's name seconds after hearing it? Or maybe you forget dates or where you put your keys, even though you just had them. You're not alone. Memory lapses happen to all of us. But what if I told you there's a scientific reason behind it? And even better, ways to fix it. In this video, we're diving into the real reasons you forget things and simple, science-backed ways to sharpen your memory. Alright, let's get into it. Forgetting things isn't always a bad sign. In fact, your brain is doing this on purpose. Our brains process millions of bits of information every day, but not everything is worth keeping. To avoid overload, your brain decides what's important and what to let go of. But when you start forgetting important things, names, appointments, tasks you just thought of, that's when something else might be happening. So, why does this happen? Scientists have discovered a few key reasons why we forget things. One major reason? Stress and lack of sleep. When you're overwhelmed or sleep deprived, your brain struggles to store and retrieve memories efficiently. Another culprit? Lack of focus. If your mind was distracted when you learned something, your brain never stored it properly in the first place. And of course, there's the aging factor. As we get older, our brain's ability to form new connections slows down. But the good news? There are ways to fight this. So how do you stop forgetting things? Here are some science-backed ways to boost your memory. Number 1. Get enough sleep. Studies show that your brain consolidates memories while you sleep, making recall much easier. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, helping it store and retrieve memories faster. Number 3. Reduce distractions. If you want to remember something, give it your full attention. Multitasking is a memory killer. Number 4. Eat brain-boosting foods. Foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and healthy fats help protect memory function. And finally, number 5. Keep learning. Challenging your brain with new activities, like puzzles or learning a language, helps form new neural connections. So, what's the one thing you always forget? Keys, birthdays, names? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips.